If you want to check your recent login activity on Instagram to make sure your account is secure, here's how you can do it step by step. First, open the Instagram app and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. Once you're on your profile page, tap the three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon, at the top right corner. From the menu that appears, select Account Center. Now scroll down until you find the option labeled Password and Security and tap on it. Here you'll see an option called Where you're logged in. Tap on it. Next, select your Instagram profile from the list, and Instagram will display a detailed list of all the devices and locations where your account is currently logged in or was recently accessed. This is a great way to monitor any unusual activity on your account and take action if you notice any unfamiliar devices or locations. So, if you ever feel your account might be at risk, this is the first place you should check. Please like this video, subscribe to Tech Flyer, and press the bell icon for new videos. Thanks for watching.